Hello, my name is Andrew Lepore, and I'm a junior in the CEM program. Today, I will be summarizing my latest experience in the construction industry and my plans for this upcoming summer. In the summer of 2018, I was a project engineering intern working for Southland Industries, an award-winning mechanical contractor that has worked with high-profile companies like Apple, Google, and Microsoft. Southland is based in California, but I was working with a team from their Washington, D.C. office. Southland is a company that only performs design, build, or IPD work. Their advantage over other mechanical contractors is the use of MEP racking systems that are faster and safer to install. Southland prides itself on safety and relationships with clients and coworkers. I had the privilege of working on the Penn First Patient Pavilion project for the University of Pennsylvania. The Penn First project is a 17-story hospital building with 1.5 million square feet, 500 patient rooms, and 47 operating rooms. This integrated project delivery job has a value of $1.5 billion and is one of the largest IPD projects on the East Coast to date. Here are some renderings that were developed by Foster & Partners for the unveiling of the project. The IPD team consisted of Foster & Partners architects, HDR and BR+A engineers, Balfour Beatty and LF Driscoll joint venture, Southland Mechanical, and Schneider Electric. Every company on this list was selected based on qualifications. Penn Medicine believed that as a team, we could get the job done. The structure of this project was amazing to see firsthand. The owner, the architect, the engineers, the contractors, and the subs were all on the same team working towards a common goal. As part of the Southland team working on this project, I was tasked with supporting the rest of the team. This means that I spent time both on the design side and the management side. On the design side of the project, I helped with remapping lots of ductwork throughout the building, and this remapping actually saved the project around $400,000. On the management side, I had a number of tasks. The biggest one was doing labor feedback analysis for ductwork that was being installed on the lower levels. I was also performing purchasing requests and also looking through RFIs. These pictures were taken on the second floor of the building. Those giant metal boxes that you can see in the left picture are actually air handlers that were installed before I was able to get on the project. While I was working on the project, I was also able to visit our Washington, D.C. office and spend some time in D.C. networking with other interns and also other employees. The lessons I learned on this project were that it's okay to ask a lot of questions and you must stay organized to survive in this industry. It's okay to ask a lot of questions, especially when you're someone on the team that has not had any prior experience with the kind of work you're performing. I had no idea what mechanical contracting was until I got on this job, so it was okay for me to ask a lot of questions. It was also very important for me to stay organized because the project that I was working on had over thousands and thousands of files that were being updated almost every hour, sometimes even every minute. This upcoming summer, I'll be working in Chicago, Illinois for Granite Construction. I'll be changing the pace and working for a civil contractor that will do mostly heavy and highway work. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I hope you enjoyed.